In this video, I will walk you through a detailed comparison of the Jetterix pressure washer lineup to help you decide which cleaning tool is right for your home. When looking at these models side by side, the most immediate contrast is the balance between price and performance ratings. We have several variations of the high-power water gun, including the versatile duty cleaning tool and the multi-function spray nozzle, all typically priced around $50, though you can find specific units like the base nozzle for as low as $24.99. The trade-off becomes clear when we look at user satisfaction. Most of these models sit between a 1.6 and 2.0 star rating, suggesting a significant gap between the advertised jet power and the actual horizontal performance in the field. If you are looking for a light-duty tool for garden care and basic patio cleaning, the lower-priced unit is a low-risk entry point. However, for serious car washing or outdoor surface care, the multi-function water cleaning tool offers more versatility, even if it carries the same polarizing feedback. These tools are built as hose-end attachments, rather than standalone motorized units, which is a major factor to consider for your specific cleaning needs and water pressure expectations. It is a classic dilemma of convenience versus raw power. Overall, while the Jetterix offers a sleek design and affordable price point, the varying models show that your experience will largely depend on your existing hose pressure. Thanks for watching this comparison. If you found this breakdown helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tool reviews. Drop a comment below and let me know if you prefer hose attachments or full electric washers.